Hello, my name's Harry Cave, and I'm going to talk through the new additions to the encryption tool in Oasys 20. The encryption tool was first introduced in Oasys 18 and was a powerful addition, allowing you to quickly encrypt materials and load curves within your model using PGP encryption. By encrypting your model, you can freely share your model and collaborate with others whilst also protecting sensitive data. To access the encryption tool, go to the Others section in the Tools menu and then click on Encrypt. Once you're in the encryption tool, you can select the specific keywords that you want to encrypt by pressing on the Keywords button. This will bring up the Keywords menu where you then can select the keywords of your choice. When encrypting your keywords, you have two options. You can choose to partially encrypt each keyword, which keeps an optional amount of cards visible to the user, or you can choose to fully encrypt, which encrypts the entire keyword. In Oasys 20, we've expanded upon the capabilities of the encryption tool by adding new features. For example, we expanded the number of keywords supported by the tool. Additionally, we added individual and collective options for full encryption, which gives you more control over how you encrypt your models. We expanded the encryption tool to support even more keywords, giving you a greater control over the data you want to encrypt. We added 4 new keywords to the tool: airbag, element seatbelt pretensioner, retractor, and slip ring. These keywords are all essential for car safety and other complex models. By encrypting this data, you can protect sensitive information whilst also being able to share your models with others. The encryption tool has been updated with 2 new encryption options for full encryption: individual and collective. With individual encryption, each keyword is separated into its own encryption block, which makes it easier to manage and work with encrypted data. With collective encryption, all the keywords are grouped into a single encryption block per include file, providing a simpler way to encrypt your models. In addition, we added the ability to append the keyword type into the comments of the encryption blocks. This allows you to better identify PGP blocks in the future, making it easier to locate and manage specific encrypted data within your models. This feature is only available for individual encryption. These new features improve the handling of PGP data within your LS-DYNA models, giving you greater control and flexibility when it comes to encrypting and protecting your sensitive data. Whether you're working on automotive simulations, aerospace, and other complex models, the encryption tool in Oasys Primer is a powerful tool that helps you keep your data safe and secure. Thank you.